Hello everyone! Are you interested to know about or learn spoken Egyptian? This series is for you. This is the first lesson from our series Spoken Egyptian from Scratch for Complete Beginners. This is a very important lesson and take you from zero knowledge of spoken Egyptian. But before we start the lesson, make sure also to download the free ebook Egyptian Arabic 101 to complement this lesson. The first thing that we will learn in spoken Egyptian is to introduce ourselves. If I want to introduce myself, I will say simply, hello, my name is Hamid. So this is in Egyptian, أهلا, أنا اسمي حميد. أهلا, أنا اسمي حميد. أهلا is hello. And we also say in spoken Egyptian أهلا وسهلا, another form. أنا is I, اسمي my name. اسم, name, and this ya e is my. So اسمي my name حميد. So let's repeat. أهلا, أنا اسمي حميد. The second important thing that we will learn in this beginner lesson today is to say thank you. This is one of the universal phrases. Thank you is shukran. Shukran. So when you say thank you in English, it means in Egyptian shukran. And also we will learn in this important lesson the response of shukran, which is afwan. Afwan. So when you say shukran, you will expect a response which is afwan. So say it with me. Shukran, afwan. If I want to introduce myself or I am contacting another person, it's very important to say it's a pleasure to see you or it's a pleasure to meet you. This phrase in Egyptian is very simple. We say فرصة سعيدة. فرصة سعيدة. And we shake hands. So فرصة, it means a chance. فرصة, a chance. And سعيدة, it is the feminine of Saeed, which means happy. Okay, so فرصة سعيدة is literally a happy chance. So it's a pleasure. So if I am talking with another person for the first time, I say it's a pleasure, which is فرصة سعيدة. Say it with me again. فرصة سعيدة. So أنا اسمي حميد. أهلا, أنا اسمي حميد. فرصة سعيدة. A happy chance. Now it's very important to know the phrase, how are you? Since this phrase is a very introductory phrase and it's very essential in asking about others and checking on others and opening conversations as well. How are you in spoken Egyptian? It has many meanings, like about 2 or 3 meanings. The important one that we will learn here in this episode is ازيك. ازيك. And ازيك is to masculine, to a male. To a female is slightly different. We say ازيك. Okay, so ازيك to a male and ازيك to a female. So say it again with me. ازيك. ازيك. I am good or I am not good. Here we will learn good in Egyptian, which is كويس. So we say I, which is أنا, And then we don't have in the present tense the verb to be in spoken Egyptian. This is very important rule that you should learn from day one. So when I say I am good, literally I am removing this am and I say I good. So I am good is أنا كويس. أنا كويس here when the speaker is a male. Since spoken Egyptian is gender sensitive, we say أنا كويسة if the speaker is a female. So let's have a small practice. How are you? إزيك to a female to a male and إزيك to a female. The response is أنا كويس. I am good. أنا كويسة. If a female is speaking, I am good. Now let's learn a very important word, which is مش. And sometimes we also say in Egyptian مش. مش or مش, it means not. So we simply add this word between I and good. So when I say أنا مش كويس or أنا مش كويس, it means I am not good. Okay, so أنا كويس, I am good. أنا مش كويس, I am not good. So let's summarize. In this first lesson, we learned أهلا, hello, أنا اسمي حميد. My name is حميد. أنا اسمي حميد. فرصة سعيدة. It's a pleasure. فرصة سعيدة. Literally, happy chance, happy opportunity. It's a pleasure. فرصة سعيدة. We also learned thank you and you are welcome. Thank you is شكرا. You are welcome is عفوا. Then we learned how are you? إزيك to a male. إزيك to a female. And the reply is أنا كويس, I am good. أنا كويسة, I am good. We here added the tight ta to كويس to make the feminine form. So كويس, we will add at the end, so it becomes كويسة. I am good. Female speaking. If we want to negate, we will add this magical word مش or mush between I and كويس. So it will be أنا مش كويس. I am not good. If a female is speaking, I am not good will become أنا مش كويسة. أنا مش كويسة. Let's have a quick exercise. If I want to say how are you or ask how are you to a female, it will be إزيك or إزيك. Exactly, it will be إزيك. Perfect. Did you find this lesson easy? Don't forget to like and subscribe to LinguaMeet. Have a look at the description box. If you have any question, write me a comment and also download your version of Egyptian Arabic 101 ebook guide. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Waiting for you in lesson 2.